Here are some exercises to practice default and optional parameters. Pause the video and try to find a solution yourself. When you are ready, press play to see an example solution. And here are some example solutions. Let's write a greet customer function, greet customer with name and loyalty level, with default value regular. And let's console log hello name. You are a loyalty level customer. And let's test some cases. Greet customer with an argument Jane. The result is hello Jane. You are a regular customer. And greet customer with arguments Alice and VIP results in hello Alice. You are a VIP customer. And let's write an apply discount function. So function apply discount with arguments price and discount rate with default value 0.1 and coupon value is 0 by default. And let discount will be price multiplied by discount rate, and then final price will be price minus discount and minus coupon value. And let's return the final price. And now let's test some cases. So console log apply discount with price 100 results in 90. Console log apply discount with a price 100 and discount rate 0.2 results in 80. And console log apply discount with price 100, discount rate 0.2, and coupon value 10 results in 70.